If you're looking for comfort, convenience, and the joy of community, all-in-one power-packed student accommodation, Avalon Irvine in Irvine, is the perfect place for you. Enjoy privacy in your own space or the college roommate experience with gorgeous shared and private non-ensuite and ensuite apartments. A world of culinary adventures at your fingertips with the fully equipped kitchen, plus a television for blockbuster movies, your new home has it all. All-inclusive utilities mean no surprise bills ever. Kickstart your day at the top-notch fitness center or challenge your friends in the playground. Refresh with a dive into the sparkling pool or fire up the grills in the stunning barbecue area for yummy roasts. With bike storage and assigned parking, your wheels have a home too. Enjoy scenic views along the way to campus, when Concordia University Irvine and the University of California are just a short drive away. The entire city is steps away, with Alton Jamboree and Alton Murphy bus stops just a couple minutes away. So, secure your spot at Avalon Irvine today via amberstudent.com.